Hello students, welcome to Young Cubs. We are continuing the chapter of mensuration and today we are going to learn to solve a few sums on volume. Okay, volume of a cube, volume of a cuboid and that of a cylinder. This year children, you just have these three 3D shapes. So come on. We've learned the surface area of a cuboid, which is twice length into breadth plus breadth into height and length into height. Now, volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. Okay, what was the unit for surface area? It was unit square. Area will always have a square in its units. Okay, and that for a volume, it's going to be unit cube, simply because they involve 3 dimensions. Surface area of a cube is 6a square, where a is 1 edge. What is the volume? Volume of a cube. So all the 3 sides, the length, the breadth and the height are of the same value. So it is side square. It's side cube. 3 dimensions involved, length, breadth and height. So side cube. Hence, what will be the unit? Unit will be unit cube for square. So for an area, it is going to be unit square. Total surface area of a cylinder, 2 pi r bracket r plus h. Unit square is the unit. What about curved surface area? We've done that as well. Curved surface area means only the pipe-like thing. Yes, only the pipe-like thing. Okay, no top and bottom not there. Okay, only the hollow through and through pipe-like thing. Okay, so what's the formula for curved surface area? 2 pi r square h. And unit square is the unit. What about volume? Volume will be pi r square h. Why pi r square h? Volume is nothing but the area multiplied by the height. If you see the formula of the cuboid as well, its length into breadth is nothing but the area, children, multiplied by the height. Similarly, volume is nothing but the area. What is the area of a circle? Pi r square, and you have to include the height. What's the unit? Unit is unit cube. Okay, let's start with the first. Our sum says, okay, so this whatever measurement is given for a cylinder. So find the volume and total surface area of the following. A cylinder. So volume as well as total surface area to be found. So what is the formula for volume, children? Pi r square h. Volume is equal to pi r square h. 22 upon 7. R is 7 into 7. Square, instead of writing square, I'm just writing it as 7 into 7. Height is 15, 7, 7 gone. 22 into 7 into 15 is what I need to multiply. And how much is that? It is 2310 centimeters square. Yes, no word problem, so no statement. What is the TSA, total surface area formula? TSA is equal to 2 pi r plus h. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7. 7 plus 15. 7 gone. So this is 44 into 22. How much is that? 968 centimeters square. Okay. Another sum for cylinder. Volume as well as TSA required. So volume is pi r square h. 22 upon 7. R is 2.1 into 2.1 into 4. So instead this 2.1, what I'm going to do it is, I'm going to write it as 22.1. Okay. 22.10. 22 upon 10. 21 upon 10. Sorry. 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. So now I have to multiply 22 into 3 into 2.1 into 4. Okay, that comes up to 5544, and the decimal goes here because this is okay. Yeah. So instead of this, it's 0.3. Yes. Because children, it is 3 upon 10. I just had written 3. Okay. And this is centimeter cube. Alright. What about the TSA? What's the formula for total surface area? TSA is equal to 2 pi r plus h, which is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is how much? 2.1, so I'm going to write 21 upon 10, 2.1 as it is, and 4. So 7 ones are 7 threes are. So 2 into 22, I'll just write it as 44 into 0.3. I'm converting 3 upon 10 and again into 0.3 and into 6.1. Yeah, and my total, or after multiplication, my answer is 80.52 centimeters square, which is my TSA. Okay. Next sum. Now we are going to find the volume and total surface area of a cube. Cube is the easiest. Volume and TSA. What is the volume of a cube? Volume is equal to side square, and this is the side length. So I'm going to write S cube, not square, side cube. So 8 into 8 into 8, correct? Cube is writing the same number thrice. Okay, it is 512. Children, Again reiterating, learn your square numbers and cube numbers thoroughly. Time is not wasted. Okay. TSA is equal to 6s square. So 6 into 8 square, 6 into 64, which is equal to 384 centimeters square. Very easy. Next sum on cube again. Volume on this side. TSA on the other. Formula for volume is side cube. Side is 4.5 raised to 3, which is equal to 91.125 centimeter cube. And TSA formula 6s square, 6 into 4.5 the whole square, 6 into 4.5 the whole square. This thing gives me 121.5 centimeters square. That's your TSA. Okay. Now we want the volume and TSA of a cuboid. So, what is the formula for the volume of a cuboid? Very easy. Length into breadth into height. Length is 12 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and height is 6 centimeters. So, that comes up to 576 centimeter cube. That's the volume. What's my TSA formula? A little lengthy. TSA is equal to twice length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Twice, what is the length? 12 into 8 plus 8 into 6 plus 12 into 6. Twice 12 8s are 96, 48, 12 6s are 72. Twice 216, 432 centimeters square. TSA. Just substituting the values of the formula. Okay. Again cuboid. Volume on this side. TSA on this side. Volume of a cuboid. Length into breadth into height. 10 centimeters into 6 centimeters into 2.5 centimeter, which is equal to volume is equal to 150 centimeter cube. TSA equal to twice of length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Twice of length is how much? 10 into 6 plus 6 into 2.5 plus 10 into 2.5, which is equal to 260 plus 6 into 2.5 is 15 plus 10 into 2.5 is 25. 2 into 100, which is equal to, so TSA is equal to 200 centimeters square. That's all for today, children. Thank you and God bless you all.